بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم أطيعوا الله أطيعوا الرسول وأولي الأمر منكم وأنا عبدك العجيز الضعيف المسكين الظالم الجهل Inshallah Azza wa Jal, forgive me, forgive us for all our shortcomings, and we try our best in life to always remind ourselves only. We're not people who speak to people and talk to people, but people who remind ourselves. And the best of reminders for myself is that Allah Azza wa Jal sent Sayyidina Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam to perfect character. Adabana Rabbi fa ahsana fi at-tahdib. The Prophet not sent to make us to be hafiz and to memorize all the holy hadiths and all the different usul that we think we are doing. But Prophet's claim for us, I came to perfect character. And awliyaullah come into our life and make very simple. We don't talk long, we talk very short and hopefully sweet. That reminder from awliyaullah, we are hopefully the donkey of awliyaullah, that we try our best to follow them and to follow their way, follow their example with what Allah gave us of our rizq, of our sustenance, of our time, mashallah, to all the families who put this event together. And all that they came and emptied their piggy banks and put all together for the love of Sayyidina Muhammad and my beloved auntie who put this beautiful decoration. All the people who are doing all of these for the love of Sayyidina Muhammad. And awliyaullah come into our life, and many times Mawlana Shaykh asks, can I ask you, with all your Qur'an that you think you've memorized, and all the namaz that you think you pray, all the zakat you thought you gave, why is it still you have bad character? Because we have to make a hisab of ourselves. Who knows himself will know his Lord. Prophet's holy hadith. Who knows himself will know his Lord. If he's not taking a path to know himself, no way he's reaching to know his Lord. As soon as I look to myself, say, Ya Rabbi, all this salah and my character not changing, how many people cheat and steal and they're still praying? They yell and scream at people and they pray. They do everything, they fight with people. You talk 2 times, they immediately get angry. Or they backbite people. And you claim that you know Qur'an. Aren't you accountable for what you know? Isn't Allah going to ask you from the Qur'an that you know and that you read? Why you backbite it? Why did you lie? Why did you cheat and why did you steal? So then there was no benefit in this Qur'an that you recited, because they're going to come and teach you a secret. You're actually only reciting Furqan. You're reciting Furqan. Allah said, we gave the kitab and the Arabic messenger. Means the secret that only Allah knows to be ahbab al-Nabi, to be lovers of Sayyidina Muhammad, then Nur al-Qur'an comes out. Otherwise everybody picks up Qur'an at the bookstore. They are getting Furqan, they're getting understanding of right and wrong. But Allah not dressing them from its lights and its realities. So we ask ourselves every night, I'm a zalim to myself, Ya Rabbi, glory be to you, and I'm verily an oppressor to myself. So with my praying, my character is not changing. With my reading of Qur'an, I still have bad character. And some people very bad, they get angry so fast. Anger is like a kufr, it takes you away from iman. In a moment of anger you could harm somebody. So then they ask us that, what was all this Qur'an you're reading? It's your entertainment. What was all the salah you were making? It's for your entertainment. What was all the zakah you were giving? Well, probably to be known by people. What Allah gave as a remedy for us from Holy Qur'an, throughout Holy Qur'an, just for tonight, for those who don't appreciate the love of Sayyidina Muhammad, Ya ayyuha Nabi, inna arsalnaka Shahidan, Mubashshiran wa Naziran.
Subhanallah.
Sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, Sadaqallahu al-Azim wa baraka Rasul Kareem. They come and teach us from Malakut. Allah has no time. So if you meet somebody who's angry and he claims he knows Qur'an, ask him, this Qur'an didn't work for you, why are you so angry? Any little bit they like to squeeze people. Allah likes to test people, that you claim to everybody you're sweet. Let me squeeze you a little bit and see if you're sweet or sour. So it didn't work for you. So anyone who's angry, ask them, especially if they're ulama, why are you angry? Qur'an not working for you? Your salah not working for you? And the awliya come and teach us, Allah has no time. Allah has no time. Anybody agree? Allah has no time. So Allah's word is ancient word, alive and real for right now, Not from past, these are not the stories of the past. For right now in my life, Allah's words are real. And Allah talking to His eternal Rasulullah and Prophet came to clarify, I am a Rasul, I am a messenger of God in the world of light. Before Allah created this Adam with his teen, his dirt and his water, I am Rasulullah in all malakut. So then this Holy Qur'an, Allah is talking to Sayyidina Muhammad from malakut, not from dunya, Don't think that the Prophet came and he left. This is an amr from heavens, an order from heavens that Allah is saying to this creation I gave to you, I'm sending you. Arsalnaka Shahidan. So we started up tonight and saying that we came and we gathered for the love of Sayyidina Muhammad. So they're giving you dalil from Qur'an so that anybody whose mind is extreme and is not correct, Allah's ancient word is saying to us that this Rasulullah Shahidan, he is a witness over his nation. In what capacity? The Prophet claimed, if you praise upon me one time, Allah sends my Shahidan. Allah sends my light to be witness. That light is a loaded light, fuluqul mashhoon. It comes with all the secrets of Holy Qur'an. Prophet doesn't come empty handed. It's not like a guest coming to your house, say, give me $5. Shahidan means you make one salawat, one durood al-sharif, one mahfil for the love of Prophet. Allah is describing, He's Shahidan. Is immediately the light of Prophet you have his attention. That's why Allah said in Qur'an, don't call Prophet to listen to you, but unzur halana, to look at you, because He's Shahidan. As soon as the light of Prophet comes, his look, his nazar upon you, that you're praising upon me. And then Allah began to describe Mubashshiran. He's coming loaded with the lights of heavens. He's coming as the Kawthar of the heavens, alayhi salatu salam, coming with all of Holy Qur'an. Inhu dhikrun wa Qur'anin mubin. Allah described, وَرَفَعْنَا لَكَ ذِكْرَكَ, that you are my praise, you are the praise of all the heavens, you're coming with all your lights and all your blessings. Tell your people, if they remember you once, your Mubashshiran will dress them and bless their souls. Dress them and bless their souls. So our sickness is what? We need Shahidan. That Shahidan brings us Mubashshiran, and what we're lacking? We're Naziran. Naziran, because when you're praising Prophet a lot, and all our shaykhs, they're ahbab al-Nabi, they are lovers of Sayyidina Muhammad, and Prophet gave them a title like my companions. My companions are my companions, you are my ahbab, you are my lovers. As a result of you loving me, I love you, I'm always with you. means Nur Muhammad comes as Shahidan, Mubashshiran to dress you from light, when Naziran because now he sends by you and says, Ya Abdi, don't do that, don't talk like that, don't lie, don't cheat, don't steal. If you don't have Naziran where the light of Prophet guiding and making the heart to be khushya, when you're continuously praising and Prophet continuously with you, as soon as you want to do something bad, Prophet give you inspiration, whether through your physical or through your dream. You have a dream that Prophet warned you about something, that's Naziran. Awliyaullah and pious people, they don't need to dream. They close their eyes and Prophet is in front of them, continuously tell them, don't talk like that, don't be rude like that, don't harm anybody like that. If you want me to be with you, don't lie, don't cheat, don't steal. They would give their life for Sayyidina Muhammad. They wouldn't risk a single word to lose that presence. If the presence of Prophet with you, Shahidan, Mubashshiran, dressing you, would you say something foolish so that Prophet would walk away? So I can't accompany you if you're going to be false like that. So then what are people missing when their salah is not changing them, their zakah is not changing them, their reading of Qur'an is not changing them? They're angry people, they want to fight with everybody, they want to argue with everybody because they're lacking the love of Sayyidina Muhammad. Even they say they are loving because we are like doctors. You tell me, Shaykh, I'm feeling good. I said, but I see a lump on your head, look like you have a big infection. Say, no, I'm good. No, you're not good. If you're angry and you have bad character and you cheat and steal from people, you're not good. The salah was not working, Qur'an was not working, zakah was not working, hajj is an entertainment for you. But what works is the love of Sayyidina Muhammad. If you're ahbab al-Nabi and Prophet is cleansing you, watching you, you don't think Sayyidina Muhammad is here, Allah's words have to be true. He's shahidan over this association. As soon as you praised upon him, he's mubashshiran and begin to dress with all of his tajallis. When Naziran, it becomes a companion within your life that don't do wrong, don't do bad, time for you to make your salah, time for you to give your zakah. And that's why the kamil and perfected shaykhs, their character is a perfection by the presence of Sayyidina Muhammad in their life. We pray that Allah open for us as the nation of Sayyidina Muhammad how much we need the presence of Prophet. This is not a party. But we said many times before, if you go to the doctor for little kids and you try to give them a medicine, they will never take it. But Allah knows that as soon as you put the kebab, the food, the desserts and the drinks, everybody comes, not for the faces on the flyer but for the kebabs and for the food. And all the secret is in the food, all of Allah's rahmah in the food, all of the tajallis that Prophet wants to give to his people, which are all creation, makes no distinction. There's no Shia, there's no Sunni, there's nothing under the flag of rahmatan lil alameen. All under the nazar of Sayyidina Muhammad and the muhabbat and love. Allah wants for us to be muslihun, make peace. Don't try to divide people, don't try to argue and fight with people, don't make videos cursing people. Our job is muslihun, come and make people to be together, to have the love so that Prophet will be happy with us. Subhana rabbika rabbil izzati amma yasifoon wa salaamun al mursaleen walhamdulillahi rabbil alameen bi hurmati Muhammad al-Mustafa wa bi sirri Surat al-Fatiha.
Nare takbir, nare salat, ya Rasulullah, Eid Miladun Nabi, Zindabad, Eid Miladun Nabi, Zindabad.
Sidana Nabi, Sidana Nabi, Sidana Nabi, Sidana Nabi.